Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma upalalik yuk kejat hakasnong jata bat sentung. Kibahap hapok ka Mauken Row CNRD Block East Khasi Hills District. Haka kendai terik uyayong arajar arpusan ulakular ban ajing arap san lak tengka. Syaka kenhun ruai na kasnong sentung hadian baulaya simenta banilek kemen lang bat ka kenhun tem na kasnong sentung. Da ka jing ngau hun ya karukam tem jong gane ka kenhun Menteri Rangba ulakular ban ajing arap san lak tengka bakan dupla ban thiet ya gitiar tem ki bakan tup ya ka gitar ka violin ki drum bat mandolin.
So I'm here in Sintung village and in this beautiful waterfall called the Warishi waterfall, and if you can see the water behind me, crystal clear, a very beautiful spot, and I would urge all our tourists to definitely visit this place whenever they come to our state of Meghalaya. So just somebody can just help me translate. So now I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band. Tell them. I'm part of the band now. Yes. So I will be giving them 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. But since you are part of I'm part of the band now. So this is my band. So I'm giving 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Okay? Good.